Hey everyone, welcome to the Healthy Eats Good Life channel. In this video, I will be talking about the best low-carb fruits you can eat on the ketogenic diet and still lose weight if that is your goal. Let's get into the video. The ketogenic diet has gained a lot of popularity in recent times as it seems to deliver good results for those who want to lose weight. Keto basically is a diet in which you keep your carbohydrate intake low and consume mainly healthy fats and some protein for nutrition. With a keto diet, you can lose weight faster by turning your body from being a sugar burner to burning fat for energy, with the rule that you keep your carb intake low. As keto's main rule is to keep carbs to a minimum limit per day, about 25 grams, many high-carb foods and high-carb fruits are not allowed on this diet. This has led to some keto followers completely cutting out fruits from their diet to lose weight in order not to go over their daily carb limit. Fruits play an important role in our diet as they are a good source of minerals and vitamins. Many fruits are high in fiber, which is important for digestion. Fiber-rich fruits keep us feeling full for longer and help to curb cravings. If you decide to include fruits into your keto diet, it's important to consume fruits that have low net carbs. This is the carb value of the fruit minus fiber, since fiber is not digested by the body. There are a few keto-friendly fruits that you can enjoy on the keto diet and still achieve your weight loss goals. Watermelon is a very low-calorie fruit. A cup of watermelon only has 46 calories. 100 grams of watermelon has only 8 grams of carbs. If your carb limit is 25 to 40 grams of carbs on keto, then this cup of watermelon can be included as one of your carb sources. It's made up of 90% water and a bit of fiber, both of which is important to aid digestion. Watermelon contains vitamin C, vitamin A, magnesium, potassium, and other B vitamins. Vitamins A and C contained in watermelon are good for hair and skin. Watermelon is high in carotenoids like lycopene and beta-carotene. The lycopene and vitamin C provide anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits. Lycopene keeps eyes healthy and helps prevent against macular degeneration. Watermelon contains an amino acid called citrulline, and this helps reduce muscle soreness. It's good for post-exercise recovery. Fruit number 2, avocados. This might come as a surprise to some people, but avocados are actually fruits. Avocados are a creamy, versatile, and delicious food with low net carbs of only 2.6 grams and 12 grams of fat in a half-cup serving. Avocados also have fiber and potassium. Fiber aids in digestion because it adds bulk to stool. Avocados contain monounsaturated fats, which are good fats or good cholesterol. Research shows that people reported a 28% drop in hunger and increase in satiety after adding a half a cup of avocado to their diet on a daily basis. Because of the high fat content of avocados, it is a high caloric food that should not be eaten in large amounts if you want to lose weight. Strawberries. This delicious fruit contains vitamin C, folate, manganese, and potassium. Folate is useful for cell function and normal tissue growth and is vital for older people and pregnant women, while potassium helps to lower blood pressure. Strawberries are high in antioxidants, which are important for our overall health. 100 grams of strawberries contains about 8 grams of carbs only, as they are high in water. The same amount of strawberries contains 2 grams of fiber, which is useful for digestion and gut health. Strawberries are considered safe to consume for diabetics as they have a low glycemic index. Blackberries. Blackberries are a nice addition to your keto diet. A half a cup of blackberries contains only 3 grams of net carbs and 3.8 grams of fiber. Blackberries contain potassium, vitamin C, and vitamin K. Blackberries are low in calories at just 31 calories in a half a cup. This is a good low-calorie, low-carb option to add to your diet without exceeding your carbohydrate daily limit. As mentioned earlier, fiber is good for helping you feeling full for longer and aids in digestion, while vitamin C has antioxidant benefits and vitamin K helps prevent excessive bleeding as it has blood clotting properties and is useful for bone and heart health. Kiwis. This sweet and tangy fruit is packed with a lot of nutrients such as vitamin K, vitamin C, vitamin E, potassium, and folate. There's some research to suggest that kiwis can be beneficial in treating asthma. Kiwis are packed with vitamin C and fiber. Just 1 cupful of kiwis provides 270% of your daily recommended allowance of vitamin C. Vitamin C is beneficial to boost our immune systems and helps to fight off disease. The fiber in kiwis helps in digestion. Some nutritional substances in kiwis also help lower blood pressure and reduce blood clotting. Coconuts. Coconut is the fruit of the coconut palm tree. It's used for coconut milk, coconut water, its white flesh, and coconut oil. Coconuts provide a sweet and nutty flavor to dishes. This unsuspecting fruit has a lot of nutritional benefits. Coconuts provide mainly healthy fat and protein and several minerals, unlike most fruits which are high in carbohydrates. 2 tablespoons of coconut flesh provide only 35 calories and 2 grams of carbohydrates. The medium-chain fatty acids contained in the coconut milk are credited with helping improve athletic endurance and fat burning, which would potentially lead to weight loss. Raspberries. Raspberries are found in different colors like red, purple, and black, with red being the most common. Raspberries have got a pleasant, sweet, and tart taste. Raspberries are packed with antioxidants, fiber, minerals, and vitamins. This small fruit is packed with nutrients such as vitamin C, which boosts collagen production and helps with skin repair, potassium, which helps to lower blood pressure, omega-3 fatty acids, which help with heart health. Raspberries are packed with fiber, which aids in digestion and helps you feel fuller for longer, which could aid in weight loss. Cantaloupe. Cantaloupe is another understated fruit that ought to be more popular as it provides quite a few health benefits. It's got vitamin C. In fact, 1 cup of cantaloupe provides 100% of your daily recommended allowance of vitamin C. Vitamin C helps boost our immunity and helps us fight off disease. It's high in beta-carotene, which provides antioxidants that fight off free radicals. It's high in folate, which is beneficial for pregnant women and the elderly. It has a high water content, which can help keep you hydrated. Blueberries. Blueberries are high in fiber, vitamin C, and vitamin K, but very low in calories. A half a cup of blueberries contains only 30 calories and 10 grams of carbohydrates. Blueberries are very high in antioxidants, which help detoxify the body. They are high in vitamin C, which boosts our immunity. They may also lower blood pressure. Blueberries contain a small amount of fat and don't have any cholesterol and help to fight inflammation. Lemons. Lemons are a low-calorie and low-carb fruit and a nice option to add to a keto diet. Lemons are high in vitamin C, which has antioxidant and heart health properties. 1 lemon can provide up to 31 milligrams of vitamin C, which is about 50% of the recommended daily intake for an adult. Though not proven, some people credit lemons for helping them prevent the common cold. Hot lemon water is believed to aid in weight loss. Lemons are high in fiber, which helps to keep you feeling full for longer periods. Some research also suggests that the citric acid in lemons may help prevent kidney stones. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any more videos about health and wellness, simple healthy recipes for weight loss, mental health, and so much more. Take care.